Welcome back to Primetime Sports Wednesday. Starting with football, as Vice Chairman of the Premier League Clubs Association, PLCA, Carvel Stewart, says the association is yet to be officially notified of any plans of a sit-out from referees in relation to the matches in the National Premier League tomorrow. TVJ Sports got information that referees could withdraw their services from the Red Stripe Premier League tomorrow over outstanding payments. One confidential source with knowledge of the situation says that he has heard that there is significant outstanding monies owed for travelling and subsistence, as none has been paid since the start of the league. But Stewart says all that is speculation, but didn't throw out the possibility.
PLCA per se, on behalf I speak, has not had any communication from referees or anybody associated with referees about them not turning up for the games tomorrow. The PLCA would be very surprised if that was the case, and if we do get a notice, which it's unlikely we will get a notice, but if we get a notice in time, we will seek to find ways of having the games played.
The source added that some monies for last season are still outstanding and that referee assessors also have not received any money since the start of the season. But Stewart says that that is no fault of the PLCA.
The PLCA do not pay the referees. We know that we have made funds available to be paid to the referees. We have made funds available to the TVJ to be paid to the referees. Therefore, we would be very surprised if they took that action. But we are now quite impatient with the behavior of the referees.